right, hello everybody. Riley here with the T Storm Chasers, back here for another weather video. We're gonna just jump right in here. This is the Sioux Falls area. As you can see, the rain is gone. The rain we had yesterday, and it was a lot of rain. We got a lot of rain. It rained all day, even rained throughout some of the night time hours. And then today it is cleared out, and we have cloudy conditions. We have temps in the mid 40s. We got 45 in Sioux Falls, 46 in Mitchell, 46 also in Spencer, 48 in Sioux City, 52 in Omaha, 52 as well in Des Moines, 45 in North Platte, 46 in the cities. And then it's a little bit cooler up in the northeastern part of South Dakota, where we got temps in the upper 30s, 39 in Aberdeen. Now I do want to go ahead and pull up the Aberdeen radar here. And as you can see, we were talking about this for the last couple of days. There was some snow potential, and it was more focused in northeastern South Dakota, and that's exactly what we're seeing here. Actually, more so in North Dakota is where that most of the snow is at. As you can see here, in right here, this band of snow, that is what we have right now, and it is leaking into South Dakota a little bit, kind of near the Eureka, Long Lake, Leola areas there in the northeastern part of South Dakota. And then also north and east of Aberdeen, we do have some bands of rain slash snow showers as well. So that is the current picture. If we do a loop, they're moving to the east. So these rain bands will move to the east. Aberdeen will not be affected by any of this. This is going to continue just to move east towards Minnesota eventually. The Britain area could see some rain slash snow showers. But yeah, so that is the outlook here for today. To be clear, across much of our region, with the exception of northeastern South Dakota and into North Dakota there, with those snow showers. So that is true to what the models were showing over the last few days. So let's go ahead and take a look at your rest of your forecast here. We're gonna go ahead and pull up model runs here for you guys. All right, real quick, I did want to briefly touch on this. The rain totals over the last 24 hours is up here, and as you can see, we had quite a bit of rain across our area. West of the James River Valley, didn't get a whole lot of rain. We got anywhere from a few tenths, maybe a tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch. But east of the James River, Aberdeen picked up a half inch of rain. Huron picked up almost an inch, about an inch of rain. Mitchell, same thing, about an inch, close to an inch. Northeast Nebraska, we had some pockets near Wayne and Norfolk that were near 2 inches of rain. Also near Yankton, similar story. And also near Sioux Falls. Sioux Falls had about an inch of rain. But just northwest of Sioux Falls, as you can see there, kind of near Hartford, kind of that area, had about 2 inches of rain. And then also near Laverne, Minnesota, also had around 2 inches. Also just west or just north, kind of just north of Spirit Lake, also had around 2 inches. So those were some of the heavier pockets. Also just east of Watertown there, and then also east of Ortonville. Those were some of the heaviest areas, as you can see there. But yeah, the Sioux Falls area picked up around an inch or so, or maybe just over an inch of rain. All right, so we do need to talk about this. This is a slight chance that this could happen. This is nothing set in stone. This is just possible. It is possible this could occur. So we need to talk about it just in case here. We do have potential for some light snow still. Basically, it's tonight into tomorrow. So as you can see here on the screen, and this is straight, I pulled this straight from the National Weather Service. So what it shows here, the heaviest amounts obviously up in northeastern South Dakota, as I mentioned before. 1 to 3 inches is still possible near Watertown. So Watertown, you can expect some light snow. For the Sioux Falls area, we're not looking at anything really. There could be maybe a couple snow showers, but that's a 20% chance. We're not looking at anything really for the Sioux Falls area. It's going to be north of Sioux Falls, near Brookings and Madison, DeSmet, Marshall, Minnesota areas. That's kind of what we're looking at. Now, there could be a trace to an inch of snow in these areas with that blowing snow. Now, it will be windy tomorrow. We will have 40 to 50-mile-per-hour winds. And as you can see, even light snow and with the wind could significantly impact visibility. So it is something we need to mention because it is certainly possible, but it's not looking likely at this point, but it is certainly possible. I'd say about a 20 to 40% chance in these areas, I would say. And again, the timing tonight into tomorrow, slippery travel, low visibility, blowing and drifting snow is all possible. And again, that's if this scenario does play out. There would have to be snow to develop for this to happen. So it is a big if, but if it happens, yes, we could be looking at some travel issues tonight into tomorrow. So let's go ahead and pull up the model run here to show you guys, give you guys an idea of what to expect over the next couple of days. All right, so first up here, we're gonna take a look at the short-term radar picture. This is kind of that future scan outlook. So this is the current picture. As you can see, that those snow and rain showers I mentioned earlier in northeastern South Dakota into North Dakota. So here's what's going to happen. According to this HRRR model, we got that low pressure sitting in Minnesota. That will continue to move northeast and north. Now, on the back side of this system, as you can see, we do have snow in Canada and North Dakota. That will actually shift south. So things have changed a little bit in this forecast from what we saw yesterday. Yesterday we saw just a few snow showers in the northeastern part of South Dakota, and that was it. Things have changed a little bit. So we got the snow that is tonight into tomorrow and into northeastern South Dakota there, into western Minnesota and North Dakota. And then, as you can see there, eastern South Dakota gets involved. Just northwest of Sioux Falls there. Those snow showers kind of hang around for your day tomorrow. And these snow showers hang around in eastern South Dakota into Minnesota and North Dakota. And so, yeah, there is possible, I would say near Watertown, probably your best bet. Sisseton, Redfield, kind of that area is your best bet at snow accumulation with that 1 to 3 inch mark. Other than that, things will clear out after Wednesday afternoon. By Wednesday evening, things will start to clear out. But yeah, there is a possibility of some snow showers. It is a very real possibility, so it's something we just got to keep an eye on. Now, let me go ahead and do a long-range outlook here for you. And we need to talk about this too, because this is impacting next week, this weekend into next week. So after Wednesday, things clear out. Thursday, Friday, Saturday is all clear. Now we start getting into Sunday. Southwestern South Dakota into the Black Hills area into Wyoming. There is some more snow potential, and right there, as you can see, Sunday night in particular, there is a very real chance of snow in western South Dakota, in particular the Black Hills region, Rapid City area, and we do have that snow also in Wyoming. That's the next system. Again, that is Sunday night. That is your next system. And then by Monday, look at that. Central and eastern South Dakota does include Sioux Falls into northern Nebraska, and then into northwest Iowa and Minnesota is that next chance of snow. And then, as you can see, that really comes through the Sioux Falls area on your day on Monday. So Monday of next week could be very, very interesting, and we could be seeing our first snowfall of the season for the Sioux Falls region. And then that'll clear out, and then after that, things clear out. Really, we're not looking at anything really after that. So as of right now, looks like Monday, as of right now, Monday is the time frame for those snow showers and the snow potential on Monday for that. That's going to be the bigger system. I think today and tomorrow is the just trace to an inch type event as it looks, and next Monday it could be rather more significant. So lastly here, let's take a look at the temperature outlook for the next several days. For your day tomorrow, again, it's going to be cooler, a lot cooler. We're going to have temps in the 30s across much of our region, maybe in some 20s. And then for Thursday, again, temps will be in the 30s for most of us. And then on Friday, more or less the same. We'll have temps in the 30s to near 40. Could see some 40s. And then for your day on Saturday, temps in the 20s across northern South Dakota there into northern Minnesota. And we'll have temps in the 30s across the rest of the region. And 40s in the Nebraska area. And then on Sunday, we'll have 30s in northern South Dakota into Minnesota, and then low 40s in the Sioux Falls area there, and then temps near 50 in Iowa and Nebraska. And then for Monday of next week, again, temps in those, low 30s and 20s to low 30s is possible. So that is a look there. Let's go ahead and pull up the 10-day forecast, and that'll wrap up this segment. All right, and lastly, we're going to take a look here at your 10-day forecast for today. Mid-40s for the high, and mix of clouds and sun, although mostly cloudy today. And then for your day tomorrow, things will change. We'll see a lot cooler temps. We'll have temps in the mid-30s with overnight lows in the low 20s. And then same story with Thursday, mostly cloudy. And then same on Friday with temps still in the mid to upper 30s with overnight lows in the low 20s. And then for your weekend, temps will warm a little bit. We'll have temps in the low to mid 40s for highs, so a little bit better, more normal for this time of the year. And then overnight lows in the low 30s and back to the low 20s. And we haven't introduced it yet, but I would start to pay attention to Monday. Monday is looking like a pretty solid shot at some snow. I would put that in the forecast. We're looking probably, I would say at this point, probably a 30% chance of snow on Monday, and subject to change. So we'll go ahead and plug that in. But temps will be cooler. We'll have temps back into the low to mid 30s for next week, and there might even be some overnight lows in the teens next week. We'll see. That's the latest here from the T Storm Chasers. Again, keep following us on all of our social media profiles. We got Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, and our YouTube page. That's where this video will be uploaded to. And we do have, again, our 24-hour live stream behind me here. The 24-hour live stream, 7 days a week, giving you the latest weather information. So that about does it here. You guys all have a great rest of your day and stay safe.